Hey everyone, welcome back to Healing Heaven. Today, we're tackling an issue that many people struggle with, snoring. Whether you're the one snoring or you're dealing with a partner who does, snoring can seriously disrupt sleep and impact your overall quality of life. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some effective tips and remedies to help reduce or even stop snoring altogether. Let's dive in. Before we get into the remedies, it's important to understand why snoring happens in the first place. Snoring occurs when the flow of air through your mouth and nose is partially blocked during sleep. This can be caused by various factors like the anatomy of your mouth and sinuses, alcohol consumption, allergies, a cold, or even your sleep position. By identifying the underlying cause, you can choose the best strategy to address it. Change your sleep position. One of the simplest ways to reduce snoring is by changing your sleep position. Sleeping on your back often causes the tongue to collapse to the back of the throat, which partially obstructs airflow and leads to snoring. Try sleeping on your side instead. If you find it hard to stay on your side, placing a pillow behind your back or using a body pillow can help keep you in that position throughout the night. Maintain a healthy weight. Carrying excess weight, especially around your neck, can increase the likelihood of snoring. The extra fatty tissue around the neck can put pressure on your airway, making it more likely to collapse during sleep. Losing even a small amount of weight can reduce the pressure on your airway and decrease snoring. Incorporating regular exercise and a healthy diet into your routine can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight, which is good for more than just snoring. Avoid alcohol before bed. Alcohol relaxes the muscles in your throat, which can lead to more frequent and louder snoring. To reduce snoring, try to avoid alcohol for at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. This simple change can make a significant difference in your sleep quality and reduce the chances of snoring. Keep your nasal passages clear. Congestion and blockages in your nasal passages can make breathing difficult and cause snoring. If you're dealing with allergies, a cold, or sinus issues, try using a saline nasal spray or a neti pot to clear your nasal passages before bed. You can also try using nasal strips or a nasal dilator to help keep your airways open while you sleep. Elevate your head. While sleeping, raising the head of your bed or using an extra pillow to elevate your head can help open your airways and reduce snoring. This position helps prevent the tissues in your throat from collapsing and obstructing your breathing. Just be sure not to elevate your head too much, as this can cause neck strain. A slight elevation is all you need to make a difference. Practice good sleep hygiene. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine can also help reduce snoring. When you're overly tired, your throat muscles are more likely to relax and collapse, leading to snoring. Aim to get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night, and try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Good sleep hygiene supports overall health and can reduce snoring in the long run. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause the secretions in your nose and throat to become thicker, which can lead to snoring. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep your airways hydrated and clear. Adults should aim for about 8 glasses of water a day, but this can vary depending on your activity level and overall health. Consider using a humidifier. Dry air can irritate the membranes in your nose and throat, leading to snoring. If you live in a dry climate or use air conditioning frequently, consider using a humidifier in your bedroom. The added moisture can help soothe your airways and reduce the chances of snoring. Adding a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint can also help open up your airways while you sleep. If your snoring is loud, disruptive, and persistent, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. Chronic snoring can be a sign of a more serious condition called sleep apnea, which is characterized by repeated pauses in breathing during sleep. Sleep apnea can lead to serious health problems like high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke if left untreated. If you suspect sleep apnea, or if lifestyle changes haven't helped reduce your snoring, talk to your doctor for further evaluation and treatment. And there you have it, the remedies to help you stop snoring and get a better night's sleep. Remember, snoring doesn't just affect you, it can impact your partner's sleep too. So give these tips a try and see which ones work best for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Healing Heaven, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos.